Hi there. In this video, we will cover accounts export. Here we'll cover how to export from your TechMan system for accounting purposes. We'll cover how to export your sales invoices and any information you've recorded from supplier invoices, returns or credits. To start, select Reports and open your Accounting Reports menu. In this menu, you'll see your customer's invoice/credit report and its itemized version. Next is the Supplier Invoice/credit report and its itemized counterpart. Additionally, you'll also have the option to use the Customer Payments/refunds report and Sales by Nominal Code report should you require them. Let's begin with the Customer Invoice/credit report. As described, this report lists customer invoices where the invoice date is within the selected date range, and lists customer refunds which were created within the selected date range. The date range will default to the current month. However, you can adjust the date range as desired should you wish to export daily or weekly instead. If you have multiple accounting departments, you'll be able to choose between them with the drop-down menu, along with selecting which site you're running the report for if you have a TechMan multi-site. Lastly, we have the option to include already exported invoices if we'd like to see them again. As previously exported invoices will not display unless you've selected this option. Now let's generate our report. In addition to the customer registration and customer number, the report will also display the relevant nominal and tax codes used, the invoice date, a reference to the invoice and job number, and the monetary figures associated with the invoice, such as the net amount, VAT amount, and total. In order to export, we'll need to hover over the download option in the top right corner. Here we can download the report as a CSV file, but we also have different CSV formats ready, depending on what accounting software you have. Let's move on to the Supplier Itemized Invoice/credit report next. Let's go back to our Reports tab. Select the Accounting Reports menu, then choose the Supplier Itemized Invoice/credit report. The filter options are the same as before, with the exception being that you can search by the invoice or credited date, or the goods received note date. Once we've selected our chosen date range, hit Generate Report. Here we can see the supplier name and document date. Importantly, it will display the invoice/credit number from the supplier, along with the purchase order and returns number generated by TechMan with the relevant net, VAT and total values. To finish, let's hover over Downloads, where we can download as a CSV file or choose the corresponding CSV file for the accounting software used. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our Help Center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.